Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer. Let's begin. First, right-click on any PDF file on your computer. From the menu, select Open With, and then click Choose Another App. A new window will appear showing the apps that can open PDF files. From the list, select Microsoft Edge. Next, check the box that says, Always use this app to open .pdf files. Finally, click OK. From now on, every time you open a PDF, it will automatically open in Microsoft Edge. You can also do this through Settings. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Apps, then click on Default Apps. Scroll down and select Choose Default Apps by file type. Find .pdf in the list. Click on the current default app and select Microsoft Edge. And that's it! You've successfully set Microsoft Edge as your default PDF viewer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.